Class 12 students, I'll do differentiation. Actually this is 7a, and these are the formula. Once again I am showing you. You take the screenshot so that you can use this formula. It is already explained. This formula of uv, u ddx of v plus v ddx of u, ddx of u by v, v ddx of u minus u ddx of v by v square. These are the two important formulas. Now see this sum. 7, 3, 8, 10, 1. Y equal to e to the power x cos x. This is uv form. U into v. Consider first as u, second as v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, every time you need to write this line. Then dy dx equal to ddx of this thing. So this is u, this is v. Now apply formula u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. This is u, this is v. This is v, this is u. See, I am telling you v but writing something else, because this one I consider e, u, and this one I consider v. So u, that means this, ddx of v, that means this, plus v, that means this, plus into ddx of u, u means e to the power x. Now formula of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, and formula of e to the power x is e to the power x. So this is the answer I have got. Next 10, 5 I am doing y equal to this. So this can be written as to the power half. Root means to the power half. This one. Now both sides I have taken logarithm. So log y equal to log of this. Now you know log means head, if something is there, that will come down. That will jump and come front. So this half jump and come to this place. Then log u minus log v formula you apply. Log u by v, that is log u minus log v. Because this one I consider u and this one v. So u minus log u minus log v. Then if you differentiate, then log y differentiation 1 by ddx of this I write, then ddx of this, ddx of this. If you differentiate, then log y differentiation, this y you consider x, then log x 1 by x. Again ddx of the considered one, ddx of the considered one means y. This is chain rule. Then log this one you consider x, log x means 1 by x. Again ddx of this, ddx of this, chain rule. ddx of this means ddx of 1 is 0, I have not written, and ddx of x minus x is minus 1. So this is the answer. Again ddx of log this you consider as x. So log x is 1 by x into ddx of again this thing. So ddx of 1 is 0, I have not written, and ddx of x is 1. So this y you bring right side. Y will be multiplied with this. So that value y I have written here. This is the value of y. Because that y will come this side, and this is the value of y. From here I have written. And this is the answer. Now see 11 part 1. Y equal to this function. Root over of this. Now 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x 1 formula is there. Tan square x by 2. Now root and square cancels. Only tan x by 2. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. I have not written. See, you have to write this line. ddx of y, that is dy dx equal to ddx of this thing. Now ddx of tan x by 2, this one you consider x. Tan x differentiation sec square x. Since I consider this one as x, again ddx of this thing. This is called chain rule. So this half will come outside, this half will come outside, and ddx of x is 1. This one I have not written, you can write this as 1. But matter is same, this is the answer. Then this sum. This is the function y equal to this. Now here I have written, in place of 1 I have written tan pi by 4, tan 45 degree, that is 1. And here is 1, and in place of that one I have written tan pi by 4. Then what is happened? Then tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, one formula, tan a minus b. So this thing become formula tan a minus b under root. So tan a minus b formula is this, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this one I have written. So root over means this to the power half. Root we can write above half. Now differentiating both sides. This half will come here because x to the power. This one you consider x to the power n, that is n into x to the power n minus 1, half minus 1. Again ddx of, I have considered this one as x, so again ddx of, sorry, this one as x, so again ddx of this one. Now tan x differentiation sec square x, tan x differentiation sec square x, again this is considered as x, that's why ddx of this one. So ddx of pi by 4, that is constant, it will be 0. I have not written here 0, you can write, and ddx of x is 1. So you simplify and get answer. That's all for this video.